Happy morning, dear friends. Here's yours, Dr. Rajanta. Welcome to Demystify with Ajay. Dear friends, today we are diving into an essential concept: when to update your model. Machine learning models are not static, so they evolve over time. Your model may perform well initially, but its effectiveness can degrade as data changes. So it's crucial to monitor and determine when it's time to update your model. Actually, why models need updates? Yes, dear friends, the first one is data drift. Over time, the data your model is exposed to might changes. For an example, if you're predicting customer behavior based on purchasing patterns, new trends, seasonal changes, or shifts in the economy could affect customer action. This shift in data distribution is called a data drift and may require you to retain or adjust your model. Next, concept drift. In some cases, the underlying relationship in your data may change. For example, in fraud detection, the fraudsters may change their tactics, rendering a previously successful model less effective. So this is known as concept drift. And next, performance degradation. Difference as models ages, their performance can degrade if they are not regularly updated to account for new data or changing condition. For instance, an email spam filter might start failing if it has not been retained with new examples of spam messages. Last but not least, business changes. As the business environment evolves, so do the objective of your model. A recommendation on system for an e-commerce site may need to be updated as new products categories are added or as user behavior evolves over time. So how to know when to update your model? The first one, regular monitoring. Different setup continuous monitoring of your model's performance. Regular checks every weekly or monthly can help you detect any dips in performance. Next, data feedback loops. Dear friends, use a feedback loop to gather performance, that is data from the model's predictions. For instance, if you have a recommendation system, track whether users are engaging with the suggested items. Next, scheduled retraining. In some cases, it's helpful to retrain the model on a set schedule as like quarterly or annually. So especially when dealing with fast changing data. Here I just give you a case study. Google search engine. Yes, dear friends, Google frequently updates its search engine algorithm to ensure it remain effective in ranking web page. Search patterns and user intent evolve. So the algorithm is updated regularly to reflect these changes. This helps Google provide the most relevant and updated results for user. I just give you a best practice for updating models. First of all, track performance over time. So as I have said, regularly access your model's accuracy and performance to detect signs of degradation. Next, use new data wisely. While training is essential, ensure the new data aligns with your model's original objective and assumptions. Next, experiment with model version. Dear friends, before completely switching to a new model, experiment with a beta version alongside to the old one to ensure there's an improvement. Next, monitor for drift. Pay attention to any changes in the data distribution or concept drift. If your model no longer performs well or new data, it's time to refresh it. And today's takeaway, remember, updating your model is not something you do once and forget about. Regular monitoring, continuous learning from new data and adapting to changes in your environment are essential for maintaining a high performing model. And dear friends, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with anyone else who would enjoy learning about artificial intelligence and machine learning. And if you have got any questions, doubts or topics you would like me to cover next, so drop them in the comments below and I will be happy to dive deeper in upcoming videos. And thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Happy learning.